Why are you any different from everyone else? Potential customers ask this question frequently. At this point, we should be talking about ourselves being the most excellent company and no one else comes close to it. Let's be honest, there are some great companies out there. There are also some not so great companies out there, and sole traders and exterior cleaners. We know this because we've seen them and we've heard about them. We will do our best in this blog to explain why we do our best to try and be the best. Our internal motto is we will always do everything in our power to complete each job to the best ability and leave the jobs with the best results possible. Roof cleaning has been around for some time, but it's become much more popular in the last 2 to 3 years. Now, we've been cleaning roofs for just over this time. We invest heavily in all the correct equipment and train our guys in all the suitable methods needed. We teach our guys at the City and Guilds level in soft washing. They hold a PASMA licence for all the correct use and erection of mobile scaffolding towers. We also train our employees in IPAF to safely use cherry pickers. Our company is Safe Contracted approved and we hold all the correct insurances that cover the public, our employees and the property that we're working on. Our employees are employed directly by us as a payee staff and we never use subcontractors. We have cleaned over 1,000 roofs and have excellent experience in the field. We've had some minor issues, but 98% of all roofs cleaned have been done without any problems. When we've had minor issues, we've rectified them without any problems. We've always been very swift and forthcoming with all genuine matters we may have had. We've had the old tile slip and we've had a handful of roofs where we've not been happy with the progress of the biocide, so we've returned and reapplied free of charge. Once, moss fell onto a neighbouring property from our customer's roof onto their conservatory roof, so we sent a team around the next day to clean the whole conservatory roof free of charge. Even though we didn't have to, we wanted to go above and beyond to ensure the customers and their neighbours were happy. Unfortunately, we've had 2 cases of being accused of massive damage to a roof. Both times it was deemed impossible for us to have caused it. Our insurance company investigated the issues and the conclusion was that a storm had created a problem with the first roof and the other roof had broken tiles before we'd even cleaned it. Only a few companies out there also guarantee no moss returning in 4 years. We've been guaranteeing roofs for nearly 4 years and have yet to have come across one case where we've returned and the moss has been regrowing. But again, if this was the case, then we would come out and reapply the biocide treatment at our own cost. One of the main reasons we're different from many other companies is size. We have over 20 staff members with various teams of roof cleaners. What this means is we can get to you fast. If you want to proceed with your roof cleaning, we can always move our schedules to suit you, and we can get to you within a month if you want to wait. If you want it done sooner, we can be with you in most cases within 48 hours. Many roof cleaners are one-person sole traders or smaller companies of fewer staff members, which can sometimes mean longer waiting times. Getting the job done on site can take longer, and if for any reason there's an issue, the resolution would take longer. The other problem with smaller companies is they come and go. We've been an external cleaning company since 2006 and intend on being around for a long time. We are always on the end of the phone and reply to emails within the next working day. Window cleaning. Our company is different to many others out there. We only know of a handful of UK companies with more than 10 window cleaning vans operational on the roads daily. Locally, we believe that we're the only company that has this many vans. Our advantage over individual window cleaners who run their own business is the level of support that we can offer. Our window cleaning schedules are like clockwork and we're always on time, and if we can't be with you on the day due to staff illness or a problem with the van, we will be with you the next day. We are also contactable by phone or email through office hours Monday to Friday. We'll also send you an automated text the night before you're clean so that you can leave access areas unlocked and you know that we are calling. You can also see our Google reviews in which we have over 200. An average rating of 4.8 is good considering we clean over 3,500 customers monthly. We get the job done to the best ability, and if for any reason our customers are unhappy, we'll be out to you again within 24 hours to rectify any issues. Thankfully, this is a rare scenario. Within our company, we are as open and honest as possible and respect that we must give our customers the best service possible. If we can be of any assistance, please get in touch.